Chapter Summary, Lesson 3, The Qin and Han Dynasties. The Qin dynasty came to power in 221 BC. Qin Shi Huangdi, the founder of the Qin dynasty, ruled China with absolute power and harsh punishments. Shi Huangdi, Qin, sought to unify the country. To accomplish this, he established a currency that everyone had to use. He undertook huge building projects, including a canal that connected central and southern China. Qin planned to join and strengthen walls built by earlier rulers to create a barrier across all of northern China to keep out invaders. The Qin dynasty ended in 206 BC. In 202 BC, the Han dynasty came to power. The first strong Han ruler was Han Wudi. In an effort to improve the government, he instituted an examination system for civil service workers. China's population grew during the Han Dynasty. New technology helped farmers grow more food. During this time, the arts flourished and the ideas of Confucius gained influence. During the Han Dynasty, trade expanded. The Silk Road linked China with its Western trading partners. Buddhism also made its way to China along the Silk Road. Many of the emperors who followed Han Wudi were weak and dishonest. People eventually rebelled against the Han rulers. By AD 220, civil war divided China.